In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set a reminder in Notion so you never miss an important task or event. By the end, you'll know how to use Notion's built-in reminder feature with any date property. Open your Notion page or database and locate the item you want to set a reminder for. Make sure it has a date property. If it doesn't, add a new property and choose date as the property type. Click the date field and select the date for your task or event. Once the date picker opens, click the Remind option. Choose when you'd like to receive the notification. You can select options such as at time of event, 5 minutes before, 1 hour before, or 1 day before, depending on your preference. After selecting the reminder time, click outside the date picker to save your changes. Notion will automatically schedule the reminder and send you a notification at the time you selected. If you don't receive the reminder, make sure notifications are enabled for Notion on your device, verify that you're signed in to the correct account, and check that the reminder is attached to a valid date. That's how to set a reminder in Notion. Thanks for watching.